Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the bottle and label so you know how the product works. Read the contact time and any activation steps. This matters for effectiveness. Once done, place the bottle on a stable surface and clear the nozzle area. Make sure you're wearing gloves if you have skin sensitivity, and note if a child lock or tamper seal is present. Those affect the first actions you'll take to open it. You now remove any tamper seal carefully by peeling the ring or film away. Avoid tugging the nozzle itself because that can damage the mechanism. If there's a child lock, press the tab while turning the head the indicated 90 degrees. This disengages the lock. Keep one hand stabilizing the base and use steady, even pressure to twist or lift the cap. Once the head moves, listen for a click or feel it release. That tells you finish by priming the spray. Point it away from your face and give 1 to 3 short pumps until a consistent mist appears. Make sure to test on a cloth to confirm spray pattern, droplet size, and that it dispenses steadily. This prevents overuse and ensures proper coverage. If the spray sputters, tighten the head and pump again. If it still misfires or leaks, stop and store the bottle upright, and use the troubleshooting tip. Reseat or replace the spray head to fix flow issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.